Hello friends, good morning. So in this today video, we here start for topic choosing topic VS Code. So here we need to learn how to install VS Code in your window. You know, without wasting of time, we directly go on the link in the browser and directly see how to install VS Code for any programming language. You can code your program or making any websites or anything in VS Code. So let's we go on the browser in Google Chrome. So here you can type the VS Code. So we simply type VS Code. Then you see here it gives suggestion for VS Code download for Windows. So normally we click here and see the link, many link of the VS Code down installation part. So you can see the first link here, download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, Windows. So what is your system which is accept your VS Code, which is reliable for your system, which is beneficial and useful for your system operating system support. So you can directly click on this and choose your suitable VS Code for your system. So in first thing you see that there is a window for Windows, VS Code for Windows, means you can click on this Windows part. You can download for Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 or any OS operating system. Means this link support Windows operating system, and these all are for Linux, and last option is for Mac, iOS for Mac OS. So normally I have a Windows operating system, so namely we click on this, and when you click on this you directly uh, get the download option. So it's ask where do you put the downloaded file. So we normally take the click on the desktop, we put this file on the desktop and we click on save. So normally you see that this VS Code continue to download, and when it should be downloaded it's shown the blue button. So after download you double click on that and it say the run the VS Code. So we normally click on run and we go on the desktop, and it so code is already installed, means we already installed this VS Code. So normally we did not need to install this again, and we know we go one step further for showing you how to work on VS Code. So normally we select no, because I have already VS Code. We click on right click on this VS Code, but it's already installed. So we refresh one time and we directly go on the VS Code directly of our system, and we select VS Code like Visual Studio Code, and we click on this and open new window. Wait 1 minute, I will show everything, and in the last we also put link of that installation in the link side from where you can access this. So you can see here we open the VS Code, and what is the feature provided by VS Code, what is mainly VS Code used for, we all are discussed here. Like you can see here file, there is many option, new file, new file, new window, open file, open folder, anything you can open from this, and any type of coding you can perform on VS Code. VS Code is mainly easy, and VS Code like we all so one simple things for you, like see that when wait 1 minute, like we created one new folder, okay, new file, and we make that file name is uh, jack.html. You can do HTML, CSS, Java, anything in VS Code. It is very simple. So when we hit enter a new file, put this file on the desktop and create click on create file, and when we click on create, it's already created the .html. Then VS Code is one ultra feature and efficient feature. We directly click on this not equal symbol and click on enter, then it gives the boilerplate of the HTML format, and you can do anything like we put one heading like h1 tag, and we put any message like this is our first code in HTML. So it is very easy and uh, efficient for use, and you can learn in fast way in coding. Like we save it and we directly run this code, this, and we here okay, I also showed one thing. You can how to install extension part, means we can write code and parallelly also run the code, not able to save and then cut and open the another window. We can make easy for that. We'll download live server. So you can download, click on this part, you can directly search live server from where your code is running continuously. No need to run again and again. So here you can see that I already installed that, and after that you see that this is a color of the logo of live server. You can install this and directly go on your code and run. Right click and we select the open with live server. When we click on live servers, then maybe 1 minute, we created this on, yeah, this is the our file. We click on this and it will be open. This is our code. This is our first code in HTML. So like this you can do anything in VS Code. Like we also make one Python program also. Like you can make one folder on that. You can do by this, like new folder ABC. Okay, and we normally go on the VS Code and you click on here and open folder from clicking on that. And in desktop, if we created one folder ABC, and you can select folder and open this, and you already go on the ABC folder, and from this you can create any file and any folder like this is a two symbol. This is for file, creating new file, and this is for creating new folder. You can creating new file. We create one file for Python code, so you can like by like making Python code, you make first dot py. This is our Python code. So this is very simple and easy, and you can run this like we make any program like a equal to Raj, and in second line you print a. Okay, then what is the output? Is the output for that you directly run this code by 1 minute. I will show you how to run the code. It takes some time. 1 minute. Okay, then you directly click on run button. It should not find Python extension, so we install Python. 1 minute please. So it's here required Python extension for running Python code. So you need to be run any programming code. So first you install that extension, then you can run that code. So here we install the uh, Python extension, wait for 1 minute, and we directly run the code. So my Python extension may be installed. Wait for 1 minute. Again, go on the code. and we directly click on this and do install. Okay, it not installed. Wait for 1 more minute. Okay, it should be installed, and we close this and run this again. Python file. Okay, after selecting Python file, it should run our code. You can see here it's discovering Python interpreters, and say so open terminal. In terminal we see simply what is our output. It's maybe showing slow. Sorry for that. Okay, so we directly run this, and we when we run this code, then you can see here the output, that is Raj. You can see here, I will zoom out it. You can see here it is Raj. So with the help of VS Code you can run any code. So thank you for this watching this video, and we can see more coding in upcoming video. Thank you.